You may have come across Shadow Farm, the app that claims you can earn money just by playing a farming game. But is Shadow Farm the next big thing or just another app making big promises with little to show for it? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Always do your own research before downloading or investing time in any money making app. Shadow Farm is currently said to be in development, with the official site encouraging early users to try it out and provide feedback. It's presented as a farming simulation game that hints at possible earnings through gameplay. However, according to sources like Niger New Life, players should not expect real payouts. The advice is clear: play Shadow Farm for fun, not profit. There is no verified payment proof, no trusted user reviews, and no guarantees of actual income. That alone raises some concerns. Shadow Farm might be entertaining as a game, but don't count on it as a legit source of income. Until the developers provide real transparency or payment proof, treat it like any other idle game, just for fun. Tried Shadow Farm? Let us know your experience in the comments. And if you want more honest reviews on trending apps, hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.